Hi, so today we'll be discussing a Ruby on Rails Monolith application. Basically, it's a trucking app company which is trying to scale up their infrastructure, and they're facing some issues like regular or too many deployments, the bugs and error reporting, delayed shipments, and customer frustrations due to long waits and frequent bug frequency and things like that. So this is the solution that we provided them. We ended up splitting them in a sort of small services. This is not really microservice architecture, but still, um, we ended up going sort of small services for different kind of functionality that application was performing. So we ended up creating three more servers for them, creating each of them with different frameworks, different their personal database and error management and other things. So each service ended up to be its own server, which was really lightweight and which didn't had lots of business logic, which was involved by other features or other entities that are interacting with it. For example, fleet management got separated out, and it was really simple and sleek service, which helped them moving up things fast enough when any issue arises from the fleet management side of things, as well as in the case of inventory tracking service and route planning service. These were really important two services which were helping the whole system go get into scalability. And we actually ended up using Kafka to interact with and communicate between each of the services. Just imagine a small typical trucking scenario where a truck got booked with its load, and it's got to check some inventory and also load some or whatever load it has, and then go out to its route. So we have to do route planning as well. So everything is just plain simple now. The whole team can distribute itself into different services, and it's more scalable in general than a single Rails monolith application. So by doing the whole thing, we ended up having more customer engagement, having more customer satisfaction, and the lightweight of the whole of the all application, the monolith three services. Also, we are able to track which the whole usability in terms of what it's doing and where it's heading towards. What problems are we facing specifically for inventory or fleet management or routing service. In the middle, we implemented a small sort of a Ruby class library, you can say, for API gateway, which was routing the whole API endpoints and requesting information from these services using command design pattern. So this whole system has helped them in their scalability problem, and they're increasing the traffic day by day on their system, and trying to optimize the whole things in general. This is a big system to deal with, and when it expands, the responsibility expands as well. But this is sort of a cost that they will bear. But eventually, they know that where the error is coming from, and where they need to look for if something is wrong, or sort of the principle with in coding, which is single responsibility. So each service has a single responsibility which it will take care quite effortlessly, and then it will help them scale up to big levels when they want to.